Very good morning to everyone. Very respected and renowned President of Dharampet Education Society, Honorable Advocate Ullas Ji Aurangabadkar. Very powerful influence in the field of education. President of Shivaji Shikshan Sanstha, Honorable Harshavardhan Ji Deshmukh. Office bearers of the managements of all these institutions. Esteemed Principal Bathena from Bhavans College. Then Principal Dr. Vijay Thakre, Principal Dr. R.N. Pise, and the real pillars, of the Botany for You platform, which has gone live recently and has been very active. Dr. Humne, who is the founder and also coordinator of this program, Dr. Vase, a very esteemed senior scientist from Virginia, Dr. Labhane from Mumbai, Dr. Wankhede from Amravati, and Dr. Koche from Akola, my dear participants. It's great joy to be here, at this portal today for the national workshop on preparation for the UGC CSIR examinations. If you really want to be a teacher, if you want to get into this profession and be a very successful teacher, you need a lot of preparation. And the first thing that you need, the first step that you must do is prepare for the CSR UGC eligibility examination. Because mere degree is not enough. Your very high percentage with degree is not enough because teaching involves certain skills and you must master them. You must, just as you should have great control over the content, you must also have great, a depth of skills, a range of skills you must have for teaching. And I'm very happy that you are thinking and considering of teaching as a profession for you, because let me tell you that when you become a teacher, you don't enter into a single profession. It's a wonderful profession that is linked with many professions. I mean, you can become a researcher. A successful teacher can be a successful researcher. Then you can, file for patents and be an entrepreneur. You can, initiate startup projects, entrepreneurship projects. You can also, create your students as innovators. You can become yourself as an innovator, and many more things. You can become a consultant. And so, welcome. In fact, I'm very happy to welcome you right now into this profession. Happy preparing with all these very renowned experts. And in fact, I would like Botany for You to organize longer programs, focus programs. 4 or 5 days workshops are not enough. You need to train yourself over a period of time, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months preparation. Focused and directed preparation is important. Thank you so much. Happy preparing for the exam and wish you all the best.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I, Dr. Zareen Bhathana, Principal of Bhavans College, welcomes you to this 5-day workshop on UGC CSIR NetSet preparation in life sciences, organized by the online platform Botany for You, along with Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College and Shivaji Education Society Colleges of Amravati and Akola, along with Bhavans College. NetSet preparation is an integral part of a teacher's life. This is because NetSet has become mandatory if you want to enter into this profession. NetSet test is not something which has to be taken lightly. It requires a lot of preparation. It requires guidance. It requires a preparation that can tell you how much to study, what emphasis has to be put on, which topics are important enough to be emphasized on so that you can crack this test. We at this workshop have tried our best to give you this type of knowledge in the field of botany. And I congratulate each and every participant who has joined to hear this course, because it tells you that you are interested in becoming a teacher. And I welcome each and every one of you to this course. I hope you have an exciting time of learning and get to know a lot of things so that you are able to crack this course. I once again welcome all of you all to this program and hope that you have the best of your times. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Respected Shri Harshavardhan Deshmukh, President of Shri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Dr. Ulhas Aurangabadkar, President Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, Principal Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Dr. Z.P. Bathena, Dr. R.M. Bhise, all the members of online platform Botany for You, all the faculties and students from all over India. I, Dr. Vijay Thakre, Principal of Shri Shivaji Science College Amravati, Maharashtra, welcomes you all in the 5-day national workshop on CSIR UGC NET JRF LS preparation in life sciences, which is scheduled from 21st to 25th of July 2020 through online platform Botany for You and organized in collaboration of the Department of Botany, Shri Shivaji Science College Amravati and Akola, Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College Nagpur and Bhavans College Mumbai. In this COVID-19 situation, education system have gone around a major breakthrough of online education system. Rather than face-to-face teaching, distance education has been started in its real way. Subsequently, it also provided a new avenues, new innovation and new horizons which brought new techniques to cope up with the situation. This workshop will provide a guidance to the students at their doorstep and able to ignite their minds. All the information and the study materials are available at nearby home and at a fingertip of the students. Hope this workshop will bring a new wave of thought and practice amongst aspirants who directed towards the NET and SET exam and will utilize its opportunity to reach their future endeavor. In the last, I would like to say, don't be average, don't be simple, don't be anybody else who is already exist. Be a special and command the respect. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much.
Hello, my dear friends. At the outset, I pay my humble tribute to Dr. Punjab Rao alias Bhavsaheb Deshmukh, Founder President of Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati. In the great educational occasion of this event, I pay my respect to Honorable Sri Harshavardhanji Deshmukh, President of Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Honorable Advocate Ulhasji Aurangabadkar, President Dharampet Education Society Nagpur, Vice President of Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Sri Naresh Chandraji Thakre, Dr. Ramchandraji Shedke, and Advocate Gajandraoji Punkar, Vice President of Dharampet Education Society, Advocate Sanjayji Deshpande, and Secretary Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati, Sri Sheshravji Khadesar, and Sri Ratnakarji Kekatpure of respective education society. The respected trustees of Bhavan College, Mumbai, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Principal Dharampet MP Dev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Professor Dr. Z.P. Badone, Principal Bhavans College, Andheri, West Mumbai, Dr. V.G. Thakre, Principal Sri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, and organizing committee members from our all 4 colleges and founder members of an online platform Botany for You, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Dr. Nitin Labane, Dr. Tushar Wankhade, Dr. Nishikant Vase, and Dr. Deepak Koche. All guest speaker for this 5 days event are the Teachers Association with the online platform on my dear student I, Dr. R.M. Vice Principal of Sri Shivaji College of Art, Commerce and Science, Akola, feel great pleasure to share this online platform for the student of Life Sciences Botany for you with you. On the occasion of 5 days national workshop on CSIR UGC NET in Life Sciences, I know this workshop is one of the best activity for the student organized by the college, and also I am very much confident this workshop will helpful for competitive exam. I congratulate the organizing committee members for the organization of such a wonderful activity for the student of life sciences, and also wish to organize such type of activity for the benefit of students. I am very much hopeful that this workshop will be helpful to clear CSIR, UGC, NET, GRF, LS examination. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.